Hello everyone. In today's session we will see how to check if the string contains special characters or not. So we want to verify whether if the string contains any special character. If the string contains any special character, then it should return value as string contains special character. It should print the output basically. So for example, let's say my string 1 and this string is having lots of special characters. So whenever for this string, it should print that it is containing special character. Whereas if you see the hello world, this second string, my string 2, this string is not containing any special character. So for my string 2, it should print that this string does not contain any special character. So for checking this, we have to use one Python module that is called as regular expression. So let's go to PyCharm and let's create a new file. I'm going to create one new Python file. Let's name it as special chars. So we have created a Python file, and here what we have to do, we have to simply import regular expression module. So regular expression module we can simply import as import re. So it is importing regular expression module in Python. After that, let's use the same one. So for example, I'm going to define two strings. Let's define my string 1 that is containing special characters and my string 2 is not containing any special character. After that, what we can do, we have to define one regex equals to re dot, we have to use one method that is re dot compile, and in this we have to mention the pattern for the special character which we want to find in our string. So that special characters we can mention in our pattern. We can simply mention in this format, and we can simply put the special character which we want to find it out or which we want to find in our string, right? So I have mentioned some of the special characters in this string, right? So we have used one regex equals to re dot compile method, and we have to define the pattern for the special characters which we want to be find in our string, right? After that, now let's see, we can use simply if one condition. So let's say if regex dot search method, by using regex dot search we have to pass my string 1 here. So it will check whether the pattern of special character which we have defined, if any of those special character is present in the my string 1, then it will return. If any of the special character is not present in our my string 1, then it will check whether it is none. If it is none, that means we can simply print string does not contain special character. Else we have to print that it contains special character. Right, so what we are doing here, so basically we have defined two string, my string 1 and my string 2. My string 1 is having special characters, my string 2 is not having any special character. Then we have imported one regex regular expression module in Python, and we have defined regex by using re.compile method. We have defined the pattern here. So if any of the special character present in this pattern is matched, or if that is present in our my string, so it will search. So this statement will basically search if that specific pattern of special characters of any of the special character if found in my string 1, right? If that is found in my string 1, then it will print string contains special character. And if it is none, so we are saying that if any of the special character from this defined regex is not found, that is none. So if that is not found in my string 1, then it should print that string does not contain any special character. Now let's see. So my string 1 is having special characters. Now let's run this program. So let's execute this file. So I am running this file. It will say that string contains special character because we are passing my string 1 here, and my string 1 is having special character in it. Now let's see where what will happen if say we pass my string 2. Now my string 2 is hello world and it is not having any special character in it. So it should print. So let's run this file. It will print string does not contain any special character. So this is how we can use regular expression and regex.search method to find out if the string contains special character or not. So thank you for watching this video.